The United Nations believe that Rwanda was fine, so I do think that it's fine to do it.
Well, imagine the shock for the former Chancellor when he finds out the UN's refugee agency has condemned sending asylum seekers from the UK to Rwanda as a breach of international law. And he'll fall off his chair when he finds out just last year the UK government was itself raising concerns at the UN about allegations of extrajudicial killings, deaths in custody, enforced disappearances and torture in Rwanda, as well as restrictions to civil and political rights.
I think that this arrangement is it has the potential to be a really good step forward and a really humane step forward.
But the president of Rwanda has been accused of human rights abuses on more than one occasion.
That is true.
The plan has been condemned by more than 160 charities and campaign groups, described as appalling by Prince Charles, cruel and nasty by the Refugee Council. But according to Rishi Sunak,
I do think that it's fine to do it.
And it just gets worse.
I'll tell you a couple of things we need to do to make sure that we can do this. We need to, I think, move away from the ECHR definition of asylum because it is too broad and it allows many people to be here who shouldn't be.
How many times do I have to point this out? There is no ECHR definition of asylum. The ECHR is human rights, and the rights that may constitute barriers to removing an asylum seeker are Article 2, which guarantees the right to life, and Article 3, which prohibits torture, inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment. Which bit of that is
too broad?
And to justify his plan, he continues to jump on the Johnson-Patel bandwagon of blaming what he calls
lefty lawyers. Lefty lawyers.
The lefty lawyers.
Lefty human rights lawyers.
And he does it despite Johnson and Patel having been warned using dangerous language like this could put the lives of lawyers and court staff at risk. Remember, these are just legal professionals upholding the rule of law and holding the government to account. Is that what he's really afraid of?